student, welcome to class. Today we are going to solve exercise of chapter 11. Chapter name is season. Student, in previous video we have learned about of season and types of season. But in this video we have solved all exercises of chapter 11. Chapter name is season. Okay. Firstly, we know about our season. A division of the year marked by particular weather condition is called season. Student, season is not changed day by day, but weather is changed day by day. Season is divided in particular month, but weather is not divided in particular month. Okay. Weather, what is the weather? The condition of the air at a particular times over a particular place. It can be hot or cold or wet or dry. Weather is changed day by day, but season is not changed day by day. Okay, student? Season and weather is word meaning of this chapter. Come on the exercise 1. Question type is fill in the blanks. Question 1, question type is fill in the blank. Student, listen carefully what I am saying. Okay. First, question number first. The sun is hot and bright in which season? The sun is hot and bright in. Your answer is summer season. Spelling of summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Spelling of summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. The sun is hot and bright in summer. Okay. Come on the question number 2. In India, the summer months are April, May and June. There are 3 months. Summer season in 3 months, divided in 3 months, April, May and June. First you feel April, second you feel May and third you feel June. In India, the summer months are April, May and June. Okay, student, fill question number 2. And now come on the question number 3. Third, the season of rain is called in India monsoon season. Monsoon season is called also rainy season. Okay, your answer is monsoon. The season of rain is called monsoon. Spelling of monsoon, M-O-N-S-O-O-N, monsoon. Okay. Fill question number 3. The season of rain is called monsoon in India. Come on the question number 4. The season in which peas and cauliflower grow in winter season. These vegetables are grow in winter season. Cauliflower and peas. Winter. Spelling of winter, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Question number 5. The season in which we celebrate Holi is spring season. Student, we celebrate Holi in spring season. Spring season is very pleasant season. Spelling of spring season, S-P-R-I-N-G, spring season. Okay. You have solved question 1. Fill in the blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5. First, the sun is bright and hot in summer season. Second, in India, the summer months are April, May and June. Third, the season of rain is called monsoon in India. The season in which peas and cauliflower grow in winter season. Fifth, the season in which we celebrate Holi in spring season. So, you complete question 1. Look at the question number 2 and question type is mark the following sentence as true or false. Question number 1. In summer, we protect ourselves by wearing woolen cloth. No, because we wear woolen cloth in winter season, not summer season. Okay? So, question number 1 is false. Question number 1 is false. Second question. The monsoon is followed by autumn in all parts of India. No. Monsoon season is followed by only rainy weather. Okay? Not in autumn season. Monsoon season is not comes in autumn season. Okay, student. Question number 2 is also false. The plants and trees grow and turn green after the rain. But in autumn season, trees shed their leaves. So, question number 2 is also false. Question number 3. In winter, it snows in some parts of India. Yes. Snow covered the mountain in winter season. Okay. So, question number 4 is true. Question number 5. The days are long and nights short in winter. Yes, true. Question number 4 is true because the days are long and nights short is winter. Question number 4 is false because the days are long and nights short in winter. This season is summer season, not winter season. Summer season, the days are long and nights are short, but in winter season, the days are short and nights are long. Okay, question number 4 is false. Question number 5. February and March are the month of spring. Yes. Question number 5 is true. February and March are the month of spring season. Okay, student. I repeat question. Second, first, in summer we protect ourselves by wearing woolen cloth. False. Second, the monsoon is followed by autumn in all parts of India. No, false. Question number 2 is false. Question number 3, in winter it snows in some parts of India. Yes, question number 3 is true. Question number 4. The days are long and nights short in winter. No. Question number 4 is also false. Question number 5. February and March are the month of spring. Question number 5 is true. Okay. You solve question number 1 and 2nd. So come on the question number 3rd. Question type is choose the correct answer. First, one of the fruit that grow in summer. Student, there are given 3 options that you choose the correct answer. Okay? Option A, apple. Option B, jackfruit. Option C, orange. Which option is right? What's of the fruit that grow in summer? Option number B is right, jackfruit. Jackfruit grow in summer. Okay? Question number 2nd. In India, we experience this season in August. The monsoon, autumn, spring. Which option is right? Monsoon season, autumn season, spring season. Option A, the monsoon season, is right answer. In India, we experience this season in August, monsoon season. Monsoon season is called also rainy season. Question number 3. The tree shed their leaves in winter, summer, autumn. Option C is right. Trees shed their leaves in autumn season. Okay. Come on the question number 4. Orange grow in winter, summer, monsoon. Option number A is right. Orange grow in winter season. Okay. Question number 5. Look at the question number 5. In India, the Palas tree bloom in autumn, winter, spring season. Which option is right? Student, Palas tree bloom in autumn, winter, spring. Spring season is right. Palas tree bloom in spring season. So student, we have completed question 1, 2 and 3rd. Firstly, you fill your book and you read all exercises. Then you write all exercises in your CW and fair copy. Okay student? Thanks.